Why is the IDF chief emphasizing defending the north in Lebanon now? The timing reveals hidden tensions and strategic moves that could reshape regional security. The northern border with Lebanon has grown more volatile due to Hezbollah's recent military escalations. Intelligence reports show a significant increase in missile stockpiles and drone capabilities. This group, backed by Iran, aims to pressure Israel and challenge its control in the region. The IDF chief's focus on defense is a direct response to these escalating risks, prioritizing readiness to prevent surprise attacks or infiltration attempts. The geography of northern Lebanon and southern Israel is challenging for defense. Mountains and valleys create blind spots, making it easier for hostile groups to operate covertly. The IDF is deploying advanced technologies including aerial drones and electronic surveillance to detect threats early. Defending this area is critical to stopping cross-border attacks that could destabilize the entire region, making the IDF chief's emphasis both urgent and strategic. Political instability in Lebanon and shifting alliances in the Middle East have heightened Israel's security concerns. Lebanon's government struggles to contain Hezbollah's power, while Iran's renewed ambitions in the region increase the risk of proxy conflicts. The IDF chief's emphasis signals a precaution against spillover violence and aims to deter adversaries from exploiting these uncertainties. It's a clear message that Israel remains vigilant and prepared. The IDF chief's focus on defending the north in Lebanon isn't just routine military strategy. It reflects urgent threats, complex terrain, and shifting political landscapes that demand constant vigilance. Understanding this helps you grasp how regional security balances on a knife's edge. For more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.